Hello everyone, welcome to channel Janjan. Today we're gonna cook meatball with sweet sour sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 30 grams breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 400 grams of minced pork, salt and pepper. We're gonna put everything in a bowl. And mix well all together. We're gonna make the bowl shapes. And deep fry on the middle heat. And flip over to cook both sides. When it gets brown, you can take it out. Now we want to make sweet sour sauce for the meatball. Prep the green pepper. You want to remove the sheet and cut into the size you want. Now heat the pan with olive oil. Add the green pepper. So we want to make the sauce while we are waiting for the green pepper to be cooked. 1/4 cup of sake, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and mix well all together. And finally, we add 1/2 cup of water and mix well together again. When the green peppers are ready, we add some flour to make the sauce thicker. When the green peppers are covered with flour evenly, we're gonna add the sauce we already prepared. Cook it on a low flame and keep stirring. When the sauce gets thicker like this, it's ready. Put the meatballs in the bowl. Finally, we add the sweet sour sauce to finish it up. Hope this video gave you an idea for your meal. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.